Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to show fingerprint icon on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. As you can see currently, I can unlock my phone using my fingerprint, though I don't see its icon. And in order to actually show the icon, now that's a spoiler, but we need to go into settings, go into lock screen and AOD, and make sure that always on display is on, so we can actually see our fingerprint here. However, if you can still find it even on your now bar, on your always on display and only on your lock screen, excuse me. Yeah, it sometimes works a little funny. If you can't find it here, all you have to do is go back to settings, go back to lock screen and AOD, go to screen lock and biometrics, input your current PIN, and here go to fingerprints. And as you can see, we have an option right here, show icon when screen is off. We can click tap to show or on always on display. So let's set the first option here and let's lock our screen. As you can see, even when I press once, my icon now is on my phone. Or we can always switch it to, we have to go here once again, or we can go back to fingerprints, and here we can only tap to show our icon. So now we can tap once, and it basically works the same way. And as you can see, we now have our little fingerprint icon on our completely blacked screen. And that's all for you for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.